When we talk about Hiroshima, we often focus on the human tragedy, and for good reason. But what we sometimes overlook is the other tragedy, the one that affected the environment, the land, and all living things. On August 6, 1945, a single atomic bomb destroyed nearly everything within a 2-kilometer radius. Trees were vaporized, birds and animals disappeared instantly, fires burned for days, turning green landscapes into scorched ash. Over 70,000 water pipes burst. Rivers and water sources were contaminated. Power lines, transportation, and communication systems collapsed. The earth, including the soil, the plants, and habitats, were physically and chemically altered. Then came the black rain, a dark, sticky fallout created by radioactive particles mixing with ash and water vapor. It fell across a wide area, far beyond the blast zone, soaking into soil, rivers, rooftops, and crops. The soil near the center of the blast remained toxic. Farming was impossible. The radioactive particles contaminated the water along with the soil, which would remain in the soil, plants, and water sources for years, a significant concern for future human and ecological health. Radiation didn't stop killing when the fires went out. It damaged the DNA of plants and animals. Some species couldn't reproduce, others mutated. Trees that survived grew regularly. Wildlife disappeared and in many cases didn't return for years. Today, Hiroshima is a city full of restoration and peace. Although the environment has recovered, the ecosystems that once thrived there will never be the same. The bomb ended World War II, but it also left behind poisoned soil, silent forests, and broken ecosystems. Hiroshima reminds us that nuclear weapons don't just destroy cities, they destroy life, and they reshape the planet in ways we're still trying to understand. At the time, there wasn't a lot of scientific measurement data, so we will never know the full extent the bomb had on the environment. However, it's clear that the atomic bomb altered the world we live in today by leaving lasting environmental damage like poisoning soil, contaminating water, and disrupting ecosystems. The bomb reshaped the natural world with consequences that extended beyond the initial blast and continue to influence ecological health today.